afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Rahul. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Thank you for asking, ma'am. I'm fine, and I hope you are also fine.
Yes, we people are fine. So, how is celebrations going on?
Like it has been 2 weeks now, so they have slowed a little bit, but still they are going on.
Yes, because it's like now again some new things happened, party
Yes.
and all. Right. So, Rahul, I would like to ask you one question that while your preparation, first of all, in which attempt you were able to clear this exam?
Yes. This was my second attempt, ma'am.
That is great.
In the first attempt, also I got up to the interview stage, but I was not able to make it into the final.
Okay, nice. So your background is means educational qualifications and all?
Ma'am, I have done my graduation in mechanical engineering. I completed my BTech in 2019 only.
Okay, from where?
Uh, from IIT Delhi, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So which was your optional subject?
My optional subject was also mechanical engineering. That was my BTech subject too.
Okay, so it was like that mechanical engineering helped you a lot in your UPSC preparation.
Well, I got a decent score, ma'am, but I think that it could have been improved further.
Okay. So what you think, what was, because usually the people ask what are your, strengths and all. But here
Yes.
I would like to ask you, what were your weaknesses during the preparation? Because earlier also you was able to reach till interview. But what all loopholes were there that you were not able to clear the interview at that particular point of time?
Yes, ma'am. In my first attempt, I got a very bad score in interview. It was just 132 marks, and in the second, I improved a lot. I got 193 marks. The weakness, I will say, ma'am, that I will say I was ill prepared for the interview in my first attempt because my interview was just on the second day of the
Okay.
UPSC. And since it was my first attempt, I was not even knowing that I was going to clear mains. So my preparations were weak, and I thought that it is a test of my knowledge. I just focused on the current affairs only, and I also have a feeling in that thing in my mind that I have to project only the good things of mine, and if something bad comes of my quality, I have to hide it. And so I will use the word kind of hero-panti I have shown. uh, i did
Okay,
not
right.
I did not portray honesty in my first attempt, and they also caught me in one and two instances. And I think that projects that I'm not a man of integrity, and that's why I got a bad score. In the second interview, I was clear in my head that I have to speak everything true about myself. I myself know that I'm a good person, and that itself will be projected, whatever I will be saying true about. So I go with a lot more confidence, a lot more preparations, and with 100% honesty. And that's what gives me a better score this time.
Right. Because every time it's said by the toppers as well that we need to be very honest, and the same thing you also told right now that we need to be very honest
Yes.
because over there we have lot of people. Okay, so I want to ask you that how VNK Academy help you in your preparation.
So, ma'am, in the VNK Academy, I have given a mock interview, and I will say that was quite a great learning experience for me. The panel members were really good, and I was weak in the part that I was not able to cover a lot of multidimensional points in interview. And in this interview of the VNK Academy, I found that most of the questions that were asked from me, they were specifically taking me to tell the multidimensional points. So in that interview, proved a great help for me. I analyzed the video. I took the suggestions that were given by the esteemed members very seriously, and I worked upon that. And I found that the latter interview, mock interview after I gave, those suggestions prove very helpful, and so does in my the final score of the interview.
Okay, so now you can say that if someone asks you, you can recommend about this academy, right?
Yes, if someone asks me about the top 5 mock interview that one should give, I will definitely recommend VNK in one of them.
Right. Because see, whenever we got selected, the best thing is that we used to tell from where we have, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So as I can see that you are from Hisar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what type of questions were asked related to state in the interview? Because usually interview panel asks the questions related to your state. So what were the various questions which were asked? Just one or two questions so that it can help our learners to get an idea. Okay, this type of questions are asked in the interview.
Okay, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to say that in my first interview, there was no questions from my state. And in my second interview, there were a lot of questions. And that too, at the every level that I have lived in my state. Firstly, they asked me about my village. They asked me, what is your village famous for? Then, the answer that I gave, they were full of questions like, is your village ideal village? And what would you like to do to make your village a better village to live in the future? Second was questions related to my district. They asked me why Hisar got its name as Hisar. What were the reasons for it? And then there are personality that is linked to the Haryana Agriculture University that is in Hisar. They asked about that personality that do you know about Ramdhan? He has significantly contributed in the green revolution.
Right.
Thirdly, for as a level on the level of state, they asked me that why is it so that the sex ratio is always low in Haryana? Also, they asked me why Haryana is doing so well, and especially given the fact that 33% of the contingent in this Olympics belongs to Haryana. So what were the reasons, or how can other states learn from Haryana in the sports sector? So these were the type of questions that were asked.
Okay. And one last question that what would you like to suggest our learners that how they should prepare for prelims, mains, as well as interview?
Ma'am, in my view, if you see that UPSC have only given the detailed syllabus about the main subject.
Right.
So our preparation should start for the mains. And once you have completed your main syllabus and prelims is coming in, you should start preparing for prelims uh, exclusively 90 or 80 days before the prelim. Give the test as much as possible. Like I gave for around 40 tests of the prelims of the various coaching institutes. That allows you to get in that mood and the elimination skills that are required. For the mains, you need to focus upon your speed of writing as well as the way you write, the words that you are going to underline, putting in statistics, putting in the name of the committees, etc. And prepare your optional well. For essay, brainstorm like 20 to 25 topics, especially the asked in the previous years. That will
Right.
give
Right.
such good score. For
True.
interview, I will say like give around 6 to 7 mock interviews and take the suggestions that have been given by the panel members seriously. Try to be honest and try to be concise in your answers. Go with confidence. You have already scored good marks in mains, and you have to be confident in that interview. Uh,
True.
Talk with energy, talk with a cheerful nature. Take it just as a conversation, and I hope that if you keep these things in mind, you will be able to get a good score.
Right. True. True. Absolutely true. And thanks a lot, Rahul. It was a nice session with you. And
Thank,
all the best. And I hope that you are going to serve a nation in a very good manner.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the wishes. I hope that I will uphold all of your expectations about me in the service. So thank you, and I also say all the best to all the aspirants, and especially those at the VNK Academy for the upcoming mains and the interview program. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Have
Okay,
a great
thank you,
evening.
thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.